Today's news regarding the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is primarily favorable. So the first item of the day is really about the design. Last week, I gave you the leak press renders, which looked exactly the same as these renders from OnLeaks and SmartPre. And these renders had to be true since Samsung has now deleted my information. We don't see this very frequently, but Samsung has been removing photographs from Twitter accounts, YouTube accounts, and various websites, giving us the idea that they are authentic. This implies we can be guaranteed that the Z Fold 5 will look precisely like this. We may also have some positive news concerning display durability owing to the water drop type hinge. Last week, we reported a tweet from Ice Universe in which he said that although the new water drop design hinge decreased the crease by 15%, it still looked very similar to the Fold 4. His tweet has subsequently been removed, despite the efforts of allies. Universe frequently deletes tweets when they include erroneous information, so ideally we are searching for a decent improvement for the crease of the Z Fold 5. Even if there is still a crease, the display will be more durable as well as brighter and better. We've got more good news about the price of the Z Fold 5. While we always expect a slight increase, Lika Ravanyas has tweeted that while the Flip remains the same price, the Z Fold 5 will see a slight reduction compared to last year, and it's expected to drop by up to $100, which would mean the Z Fold 5 could launch from $1,699. So this is wonderful news for consumers seeking to buy it, and maybe this is part of the reason why the gadget appears so similar to its predecessor, since one of their emphasis may have also been on cost reduction. Now we have the full spec list, which was revealed by Yogeshbra on Twitter. While we do get some upgrades, it is a little disappointing. Yogis's tweet reports a 7.6-inch at 120Hz main display, a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus outer display, 12GB of RAM, up to 1TB storage, and is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.